How to fix the freezing problem on Telegram? Restart the Telegram. First, close the Telegram app completely from your device, whether it may be iPhone or Android. Next, swipe away the app from your recent apps list to ensure it is not running in the background. Now reopen the app and check if the freezing issue persists. If not, then try. Update the app. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Telegram in the search bar. If there is an update available, tap on Update to install the latest version. Once updated, open Telegram and see if the problem has been resolved. If it is still freezing, then try next. Clear cache. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on the General option. After that, click on iPhone Storage. Search for the Telegram app and click on it. And then click on the Offload. Next, tap on Reinstall to clear the cache. Restart the app to check if the issue is fixed. If it has not worked, then try. Check network connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is related to a specific network. If the issue is still not fixed, then try. Reinstall Telegram. Uninstall Telegram by holding the app icon and selecting Uninstall or Remove App. After uninstalling, reboot your device. Reinstall Telegram from your App Store and log into your account. Check if the app still freezes, then try next. Check Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings apps. Then, scroll down and click on the General. After that, scroll down and tap on the Background App Refresh. Now look for the Telegram app and toggle on the switch next to it. Check if the app still freezes or not. Even after trying all the steps, if the issue is still not resolved, it may be related to a temporary problem with the Telegram servers. Please allow some time for it to be resolved. And that's it.